Though life had dealt him blow after blow, Percy Spencer refused to be defined by tragedy. At 18 years old, inspired by stories of wireless communication aboard ships like Titanic, he joined the U.S. Navy, a decision that would change everything. In 1912, at just 18 years old, Percy LeBaron Spencer joined the U.S. Navy. Inspired by stories of wireless communication aboard ships like Titanic, Percy saw an opportunity to escape hardship and pursue a future shaped by technology. With no formal education, Percy turned the quiet hours of night into his classroom. By lantern light, he devoured textbooks on physics and engineering, teaching himself skills that would later define his legacy. After more than a decade in the Navy, Percy left to join Raytheon in 1925. His self-taught expertise in radio technology quickly set him apart in an industry on the brink of revolution.